Hey space nerds, tell me this. Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered, what if a black hole isn't just a cosmic vacuum cleaner, but actually a secret doorway to another dimension?
Like, imagine falling into one, and instead of getting squished like cosmic spaghetti, you pop out in a universe where cats rule the world and everyone's commuting to work in flying toasters.
Okay, maybe not the toaster part, but today on StarTide, we're diving into whether black holes could be portals to other dimensions, or just cosmic garbage disposals with zero chill. Buckle up, because this rabbit hole is deeper than a black hole's gravity well, and at least 10 times weirder. Alright, first things first, what the heck is a black hole anyway? Think of it like the ultimate cosmic trap, a region in space where gravity is so bonkers strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. There's this invisible boundary called the event horizon, and crossing it is like stepping onto an escalator that only goes one way. And trust me, you don't want to ride it. Beyond that edge, gravity's pulling so hard that even if you were Superman wearing rocket skates, you'd never make it out. Some black holes are teeny, like leftovers from dead stars, but others are supermassive, millions or even billions of times heavier than our sun. And guess what? There's a gigantic one lurking at the center of our own galaxy, Sagittarius, kind of like the Milky Way's moody, silent roommate. Astronomers can't see black holes directly, but we know they're there because of how they mess with everything around them, like that one guy at parties who starts drama and leaves without saying goodbye. So yeah, black holes, cosmic divas, gravity hogs, and possibly secret passageways to somewhere totally mind-blowing. So let's say you're feeling brave or reckless and decide to dive straight into a black hole. What exactly would happen to you? First off, your body's in for a cosmic horror show called spaghettification. Basically, gravity near a black hole is so extreme, it pulls harder on your feet than your head, stretching you out like a piece of gum stuck on a sneaker. One scientist called it tidal forces, but honestly, getting turned into cosmic pasta sounds way more accurate. And here's where things get extra trippy. If someone's watching you fall in from far away, you'd look like you're moving slower and slower, until you practically freeze at the edge. But from your point of view, yep, you're falling straight in, and time's ticking normally for you. It's like the universe's cruelest optical illusion. So not only would you be cosmic linguini, you'd also be starring in the universe's slowest exit scene. And what happens once you're past the point of no return? Well, that's the million-dollar question. Because beyond the event horizon, physics throws up its hands and says, I don't know, man. You're on your own. Alright, here's where the real sci-fi brain melt begins. Could black holes actually be cosmic portals to other dimensions? Some physicists think that instead of just gobbling up everything, black holes might be hiding secret tunnels called wormholes, or, if you want to sound fancy, Einstein-Rosen bridges. Picture the universe as a big sheet of paper, now folded in half so two spots touch. Boom! That's basically a wormhole, a cosmic cheat code for skipping space and time. But, and this is a big but, there's a catch. These wormholes might collapse faster than your Wi-Fi during a Netflix binge. Some theories say you'd need something called exotic matter to keep the tunnel open. Basically, matter that has negative energy and acts like cosmic duct tape. Trouble is, nobody's ever found exotic matter in the real universe, so for now, wormholes are just mind-blowing math scribbles. But wait, it gets weirder. Some scientists think black holes could connect to entirely new universes, a multiverse, like in Doctor Strange or Everything Everywhere All at Once. Imagine falling into a black hole here, and popping out somewhere else, where gravity's upside down and pizza's considered a health food. It's a wild idea, but here's the thing. When physicists try to mix general relativity, the stuff that explains gravity, with quantum mechanics, the stuff that explains particles, black holes turn into total cosmic chaos. It's like trying to blend pineapple and pepperoni on pizza. Some people say it's genius. Others say it's a crime against humanity. Another weird possibility? white holes. Think of them as the reverse of black holes, cosmic blow dryers that only spit stuff out instead of sucking it in. Some theories suggest black holes might be connected to white holes somewhere else, like two ends of a cosmic water slide. So are black holes portals? Maybe. Or they might just be nature's ultimate do not enter sign. But hey, that's what makes it fun to wonder. Okay, so let's say black holes are portals. The next big question is, could we actually travel through one without turning into cosmic linguini? Right now, the answer's a cosmic nope. First, there's the minor inconvenience of dying instantly from gravity so intense it'd turn your atoms into a smear on the cosmic floor. And even if you somehow survived spaghettification, you'd be facing radiation levels high enough to fry you like cosmic bacon. Physicists call it Hawking radiation, but it's basically black holes slowly evaporating and spewing deadly particles everywhere. So yeah, interstellar tourism through a black hole isn't exactly on next year's vacation package list. But here's the kicker, the math doesn't completely slam the door shut. Some solutions in Einstein's equations suggest you could survive a trip through a wormhole if, and this is a galaxy-sized if, we could stabilize it with exotic matter. Unfortunately, we haven't discovered exotic matter in nature, let alone enough to keep a cosmic tunnel open long enough for a Sunday drive. Even if we did, there's another cosmic party crasher, time travel paradoxes. Traveling through a black hole might mean hopping to another point in time, or even becoming your own grandparent. And let's be honest, that's just asking for a multiverse-level headache. Bottom line, the physics isn't totally forbidding it, but the engineering and the not dying part are deal breakers for now. But hey, humans once thought flying machines were impossible too, so who knows what will crack in the next few centuries. So, why are we all so obsessed with the idea that black holes might be portals to other dimensions? I mean, we humans are basically cosmic busybodies. We can't help poking at the universe's secrets, like nosy neighbors peeking through the blinds. Part of it is pure curiosity. We've got this itch to explore, to know what's around every cosmic corner. And let's be real, there's something deliciously rebellious about the thought that there might be cosmic escape hatches hiding in plain sight. Like, who wouldn't want to believe there's a secret door somewhere that leads to a reality where Mondays don't exist and coffee refills itself? It's why sci-fi keeps coming back to this idea. Whether it's Interstellar sending astronauts into black holes, or superheroes zipping through multiverse portals. Plus, there's something romantic about the unknown. Black holes are like cosmic bad boys, dangerous, mysterious, and impossible to ignore. And hey, imagining a universe where there's another you who nailed all their life goals? Kinda comforting on days when your biggest achievement was finding matching socks. So yeah, it's scary but also thrilling. Black holes are cosmic mysteries that keep us dreaming big and wondering, what if? So after all that cosmic roller coastering, what's the verdict? Are black holes cosmic shredders that pulverize everything, or magical portals to other dimensions waiting to be discovered? Well, the truth is, we just don't know. And right now, black holes are both terrifying monsters and mysterious gateways in our cosmic storybooks. Physics gives us hints, but until we can actually peek beyond that event horizon, or invent a spaceship that doesn't turn us into cosmic pasta, it's all one giant cosmic maybe. Still, that's the fun part, right? Wondering what secrets the universe is hiding behind the ultimate do not enter sign. And honestly, if black holes are portals, I kinda hope the other side has gravity that doesn't make my knees crack every time I stand up. So I'll leave you with this cosmic question. If you knew there was another universe waiting on the other side, would you take the plunge into a black hole? Let me know in the comments. I want to hear your wildest theories and sci-fi fantasies. Narration. Thanks for hanging out with me today on StarTide, and for not getting sucked into a black hole in the process. If you enjoyed this cosmic deep dive, go ahead and smash that like button harder than gravity smashing a star into a black hole. And hey, subscribe to StarTide so you don't miss our next wild ride through the universe. Next up, check out my video on the strangest things found in space. Trust me, there's stuff out there way weirder than black holes. Until then, keep looking up, and keep wondering what's on the other side of the cosmic curtain. Catch you in the next one. StarTide out!